Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important chapter business service, the understanding based question, application based question and case study type questions. The first question, admit that the Delhi Transport Company could not let one of the truck on hire on the fire 1st January because there was no demand. Now this is not possible that the truck which could have been serviced on 1st January may be put into the stock on the 2nd January. It should be put into the double the service. What particularly of service business does this example related to? The answer for this example related to the particularity of non-stocking of service and service business. Next, a doctor perform an operation only when the patient is willing to available for his service. What information does this statement giving regarding the service industry? The answer for this statement is this statement gives us that the information about the service industry that in its production the consumption both go hand in hand. Hence it may be said that it is the element of simultaneously remain present. Next, in banking service, such a system has come because of which the status of the customer undergoes a change. Now, the customer happen to belong not to be a particular branch but to be a bank itself. What do you know about this statement? The answer for this statement is that this statement is known by the name of core banking solution, that is CBS. In this system, the customer can do transaction in any CBS branch of the bank throughout the country after opening his account in a particular branch of the bank. And when the facilities of CBS is available for the CBS branch, customer is intermediary which is particular CBS branch is he is the customer of. The privilege of CBS customer get a special ID on the basis of which he can open any type of account of any CBS branch without any photograph or introduction. Next question. Mr. Prasant Kumar is the owner of the transport company. He went to the LIC office to get himself insured. There he came to know that in the life insurance policy, the security investment, both the feature are implicity. Then he went to the office of United Indian Insurance Company Limited to get the truck of his company insured. On the researching there, he learned that his insurance was different from the life insurance, and that is type of insurance is called general insurance. It implies only the security of the element. The Mr. Prasant is incapable of understanding the element of security investment in life insurance and only security in general insurance. He want to know to make him the understand the difference between the two. How do will you help them? Life insurance is the security investment, both element are present. Security means life insurance mean that if the insured person died before the fixed period, his family get pre-decide amount of the money and the financial burden of the family get reduced to the certain extent. Investment element, investment in life insurance means that if he insured person survive up to the fixed time or period, he get the sum assured plus bonus, both just once get interest on the amount deposit in the bank. Exactly similarly, one get bonus on the amount deposit in the insurance company. Thus life insurance good investment also. And B, insurance contract under the life insurance. In such insurance contract, only the element of security is implied. It means that if insured thing remains safe up to the fixed time period, one get nothing from the insurance company after this time period. But yes, if the insured thing made and accidental before the fixed time period, the insurance company make the payment of the compensation up to the maximum of the sum assured. Here is another question. A certain person get his wife life insured 2 year after his divorce. His wife 3 years after his ex-wife dies. Will the insurance company pay commission to the husband on the death of his ex-wife? Yes, the insurance company will pay the person compensation because the principle followed by the life insurance that at the time of insurance, the insurable interest must be there. Here, the necessary condition for making payment of the compensation to the husband is that even after the divorce, he should not continue making payment of the payment of the insurance premium.